What if we told you that the best tomato harvest you'll ever get won't come from a tall, neatly trained plant? Welcome to Mkirikacha TV, where today we uncover a gardening secret most people overlook: bushy tomatoes. More fruits, less fuss, no fancy cages. The secret to bushy tomatoes: grow more fruit without fancy supports. Before we dig into the dirt, hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon, because what you're about to learn might just double your harvest. Most gardeners train tomatoes to grow tall, thinking height equals health. But that's not always true. In fact, going bushy offers bigger yields from side branches, better air circulation, goodbye fungal diseases, less need for support. Save those sticks for something else. Drop a go bushy or go home in the comments if you're ready to ditch the tomato towers. Here's the thing: tomatoes weren't born to grow straight up. They're natural climbers, wild and vining, but when we prune them right, we guide that energy into fruit production, not endless leaves. In this section, learn the difference between determinate and indeterminate tomatoes, discover the right time to prune, not too early, not too late, meet varieties that thrive when left bushy, and a few surprises. Comment below with the variety you're growing. Let's see who's got the secret weapons this season. Now it gets hands-on. Here's how to shape your plant for bushiness and bounty. Pinch off the growing tip. This stops vertical madness. Remove the suckers, those sneaky energy thieves. Prune older leaves. Let the light in and keep disease out. Bonus tip: always sterilize your tools before and after. Bookmark this section, your tomatoes will thank you later. Now that your plant is shaped right, here's how to help it thrive. Water wisely, deep but not often. Fertilize with purpose. More flowers, more fruits. Mulch the base. Lock in moisture, block weeds, feed the soil. And don't forget the golden rule: sunlight and airflow equals healthy, fruitful plants. Interact now. What's your go-to homemade tomato fertilizer? Drop your recipes in the comments. Let's learn from each other. This is the reward. We'll show you how to identify the perfect ripeness, harvest without damaging the plant, store them so they last longer and stay fresh. Are you making salsa, sauce, or slicing it fresh for a garden sandwich? Share your favorite tomato dish in the comments. If you've enjoyed this garden breakthrough with Mkirikacha TV, do us a favor. Like this video, share it with one fellow gardener, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. Let's grow together, harvest more, and learn smarter. Until next time, stay curious, stay muddy, and keep growing. Mkirikacha TV, farming just got fun.